Dan dwene hu de D Black oye baze na oye baze ambassador Ciroc D Black you be a de bia bohun around the na chede Ciroc na da nyama enwa ensa papa na azan nipa na wa club or bar enwa nti damansa papa na azan hwe Sarkodie ni favorite cigar yi bi na okitani nti wo interest na ya common Sarkodie na D Black interest a wo na common na Samini obenya bazo wane wo Pito debe ne be wiase mehu de Sarkodie kita Pito Yes, people, welcome to the channel. We're from a parkour to the rich. I have your fancy YouTube now. Well, first time I share a video, kindly subscribe to the channel because I have share information virals and some record do social media. Be an hour and a lot of followings in following coffee be brains in names or record or ye duty and your responsibility there. You have all them information, but here and the way I was able to that supporting there. Ebe share, ebe comment, na my man for saying who more record over subscribe and subscribe so and I am vibe more. So early this week in Komo Boto, Twitter and Chede, Samini the Botugwa, the Koni Mount, the Botugwa, the Sarkodie is hard on returning favors, and I don't think I would need a verse from him. And if he does, I'm not interested. Samini no hits it, I'm pointing. Now, Samini in a day. Samini caught Twitter. No ribisa na fans there. Obi or question be or pedo be so no Samini no. Or you're free to ask. And I think it's a beautiful thing to be, have interactions with your fans. I mean, will feel closer to you. Inti a one of the fans, or back there. Samini. You then Sarkodie I mean Sarkodie the water and yum da. Na that ben a year be feel I was Samini and a Sarkodie. Wild collaboration. And when I Samini back there, I say, no, I'm sure that Sarkodie de obey him more and other Sarkodie be him more because Sarkodie you be a say a yazaman. Now pedo ye be my one and Shawana Dawson. On ye obo read messages on Casson when I say into Abandama. What timeline separate you projecting about the wire basa. And for the main reason, I mean, it started a whole lot of arguments and reasoning. I then yes, I mean, in first person, I work at the masterman. I go at them waka. I think there is another artist so in there what also called so baka similar things there. Sarkodie no they return favors. Now we here now obe flexible ball life dama. Inti over the week in a day, Chada Sarkodie na power the work grilling papa. Odu stage bia and the dusty inviting a call hit FM. Only needs in common man or fresh Samini. To line it on a Samini canal commando, na zina, whatever or how ni bia. But it looks like Sarkodie, he felt very bad and honestly or apologized it Charlie. What will be na means more ye nazi. Obi o hoza azebaman or the man and feeling ye different into 1 hour onya 2 hours simple obey among. Obi also actually order no feel vibe no inspiration be ansana with some wire the man and among. Look at it, but anyway, if Samini feel bad about the man blue ticks na dami yama na honestly we're very sorry, very sorry. Into Okoban there bashments and then or record the kabute one chan left right to be as a man. So in there you why the case in a brother and you yeah D Black we be posted there. Won't read it for themselves. It is a D Black in a tweet to enjoyment minister. It just hits me that Sarkodie pulled up to my crib one time, did 2 verses for me, Omega, and give it to me. featuring YC himself on my album. And guess what? I wasn't even home. I was in Kumasi performing at an event. Came home back the next day and the records were done. Bless you, my G. I mean, not the master me too. I mean, I am conformed. Na Sarkodie on about pena bra and sana. Why you was now? Why you was simple? No, but I'm kasa. I went into the box and I discover reasons be, and that's the reality. See, reasona ya one. Beya papa mobile, but obiri ye bibi mama and obiri ye papa mama. Normally, people have interest in whatever they do. So worry ye even papa mama. As I know already, ebam for suno benya won. You can clearly tell the D Black na smoking. And you know already no feature YC Nigerian artists or a lot of audience, big markets. He's on it. Compared to a Samin and as an Orient or me and you know, okay, D Black or ye Jumo to me push call Nigerian as you understand. And this can be some of the reasons are Kabute but to me Janado or they make any decisions. I'm not saying that I'm not feel. But on the lighter side, on the other side of the coin, a man for one person won't say D Black, or fresh Sarkodie de ombe no mana. Onya 2 days, Sarkodie be fast, wako wake. Chedo onyi fiempa, bonde kabute sak, wako wake. But Samini, ko nyima. Or send any message or send any verse, I'll bet you blue tick. Moon steady at it. Share. Sarkodie you be a Ninwaji luxury. Guy nyama. As all ye fell, as all ye guy, as all ye polish, as all ye. One dan dream who there. D Black or ye baze, no ye baze ambassador. Ciroc. D Black you be a debia bonhun around the nature there. Ciroc na damenyaman ewa and sapapa nazan. Nipa na wa club or wa bar ewa. Inti daman sapapa nazan she Sarkodie ni favorite cigar ibi no kitani. Inti what interest na ya common. Sarkodie na D Black interest or na ya common. Na Samini obenya bazo wan Pito. Debe ne be wiasim ehu de Sarkodie kita Pito. Ibe wiasim debe ne ehu de Sarkodie kita Pito wa Calabash ma ono. Inti Samini asene ne nyomo da onkonka ye manan. Onya fast in fitam on for motorway sprinter so on kwada nsuman. Onka je Pito Calabash kwere. Abro nyim do okọ cantonment a D Black aya kra Ciroc koko. Yay. Aya kra club ho strippers kakra. Obonhu rockstore no wachi kakra. Ati mama kana sa. Inti nsambi oho ya yareka. You're very strategic about it. Maybe sao Pito and Ciroc ebotwana. It is quite obvious, and that's the reality. No koro in the Ghana for near Yesua. In Hara years and Ankasana, we know the film like that. We always want what is coming from the western side of the world. And you can clearly tell that Kabute is that type. Kabute will always choose Lamborghini over Kantanka. That's the fact. Sarkodie will choose Lamborghini over Kantanka. Not they be on pe Kantanka answer, but ni test in a class in. Into Sarkodie D Black ne Ciroc. Or ye ne djuma faster, you for understand. Okoye Samin ne nyoma nka modba manayi Pito. Ine bia twefenta, enyim twefenta. Enyima abisa black rasta monken show. So this has been my observation, and I think it's a fucking thing. Obi a favor mawa, you have to return it. And that's how it should be. Ebusianza damana watsonan. That is how it should be. Fact. You understand? That is how it should be. Inti midzbesiha emi observation amaye, and you can also tell me what you also feel about this topic. What is trending? Damasam your record D Black Mobe King. That is me observation. Pito over Ciroc. That is not possible. It is Ciroc over Pito. Samini bamo Pito. D black ba mo Ciroc dream ho fuck our dream na check ibiana price. I'm out of here, and this is another fucking thing. Bye bye.